Social media analytics empower marketers to transform data into actionable insights. By analyzing metrics like engagement, reach, and conversion rates, businesses can refine their strategies. This data-driven approach ensures that marketing efforts are not just reactive, but proactive, aligning with business goals and maximizing impact. Social media analytics are crucial for proving return on investment by providing concrete data on business value and returns. They guide strategy through data-driven decisions, optimizing campaigns and resource allocation. Additionally, they track performance by monitoring audience behavior and brand sentiment in real time, allowing for quick responses to trends and opportunities. Understanding core concepts and metrics is crucial for effective social media analytics. Key metrics include followers, engagement, reach, impressions, clicks, and conversions. These metrics help assess audience growth, interaction levels, content visibility, and the impact on website traffic and sales. Mastering these metrics enables data-driven strategies for optimizing social media performance. Followers and audience growth reveal your reach potential by analyzing follower counts, growth rates, and demographics. Engagement metrics, including likes, comments, and shares, show audience interaction levels. Reach and impressions quantify unique views, assessing visibility. Clicks and conversions track website traffic and sales impact, monitoring click-through rates and conversion events from social posts. Explore advanced metrics like share of voice to gauge your brand's market position. Utilize sentiment analysis to assess brand perception through artificial intelligence. Evaluate influencer impact by tracking engagement and conversions. Analyze paid ad performance by calculating return on investment, cost per click, and revenue from campaigns for strategic insights. Explore essential tools and dashboards for analytics. Utilize platforms like Google Analytics for web traffic insights, Hootsuite for social media management, and Tableau for data visualization. These tools provide comprehensive data analysis, enabling informed decision-making and strategic planning. Leverage their capabilities to enhance your understanding of audience behavior and optimize your marketing strategies effectively. Native platform analytics offer detailed insights into social media performance. Facebook Insights provides page analytics, Twitter Analytics tracks tweet metrics, and Instagram Insights monitors story views and audience activity. These tools offer real-time updates and audience insights, but lack cross-channel comparison and unified reporting capabilities, limiting broader strategic analysis. Third-party analytics tools like Sprout Social, Klipfolio, and Hootsuite Analytics offer powerful data aggregation across social channels. Sprout Social excels in social listening and competitive analysis. Klipfolio provides real-time data integration and custom metrics. Hootsuite offers sentiment tracking and return on investment measurement. These tools enable comprehensive insights and unified reporting across platforms. Visualizing social media data effectively is crucial for deriving actionable insights. Line graphs track follower growth and engagement trends over time. Bar charts compare engagement rates across posts or platforms. Pie charts illustrate share of voice among competitors. Heat maps reveal user activity patterns, optimizing posting schedules for better visibility and engagement. Line graphs track follower growth and engagement trends, revealing patterns and seasonal changes. Bar charts compare engagement rates across posts and platforms, identifying top performers. Pie charts illustrate share of voice among competitors, aiding in market positioning. Heat maps show user activity by time and day, optimizing posting schedules for visibility. Link your social media accounts to the dashboard using OAuth or API credentials for seamless data syncing. Select key performance indicators like follower growth and engagement rates. Customize visualizations with color coding and filters for clarity. Set up alerts for significant metric changes. Use real-time data feeds and customizable widgets for continuous updates. Harness the power of scripts and automation to streamline your analytics. Use platform application programming interfaces for data extraction. Automate tasks with cron jobs and store data in databases or comma-separated values files. Ensure robust error handling and logging. Leverage application programming interfaces like Twitter Application Programming Interface, V2, Facebook Graph Application Programming Interface, and Instagram Graph Application Programming Interface for comprehensive insights. Automate analytics by using platform APIs like Twitter API v2, Facebook Graph API, and more. Authenticate with OAuth tokens, extract data using functions, and schedule tasks with cron jobs. Store data in databases or CSV files, ensuring error handling and logging. Analyze data in Pandas, data frame for insights on engagement metrics. Analyzing the analytics report snapshot, Week 3's engagement surged by 140% due to an influencer campaign. Optimal posting times are 2 to 4 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, boosting engagement by 65%. Video content excels, outperforming static images by 3.2 times. Audience growth is robust, with an 8.5% increase and 92% retention rate. Mastering social media analytics empowers smarter marketing decisions through data-driven insights. Automate workflows with visualization tools to save time and ensure accuracy. Continuously refine strategies using real-time data to maximize return on investment and achieve sustainable growth. Begin building your analytics dashboard now to transform your marketing approach from reactive to strategic.